Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make curry chicken Caesar rice. So if you are interested in the video, remember to stick around, show me some love by subscribing and sharing the video. Thumbs up the video also, as it helps with the YouTube algorithm. Let's get started. In the bowl I have my cleaned chicken breast that I cut in small pieces. So guys, if you don't want to use the chicken breast, you can always use boneless chicken thighs. So for the recipe, you have to use boneless meat. Alright, so I'm going to be adding a mixture of seasoning. So I will list them in the description box. So remember to check it out. So this recipe is simple yet delicious. So I'm going to just combine the seasoning together. Then I'm going to set the chicken aside for about 15 minutes. You don't need to marinate it for a long time, but if you want to marinate it for a longer period that I am doing, then that's up to you. I'm also going to be adding some natural seasoning, but guys, honestly, I do like to add my dry seasoning first and then I mix it in together, let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then I add my natural seasoning. That's just how I do my thing. You don't have to do it like that. So my natural seasoning, I have some freshly cut ginger, I have pimento seed, I have garlic, and I also have onion. I'm using the red onion. If you want, you can always use the white onion. Alright, so I only add the red onion, so I use what I have. So after I finish combining the seasoning together, I am going to let it marinate for 15 minutes, as I said earlier. So my chicken is nicely seasoned, so I'm going to move on to the next step. So after the chicken has fully marinated, I am going to burn my turmeric and my curry powder. Now guys, because it is Caesar rice, I do want to add a little, nice flavor to the curry. So that's why I'm adding the turmeric also. The turmeric is optional, but it's healthy and it do have a nice taste. So my curry powder, I'm using 1 pack of the better pack curry powder, and I have a small piece of turmeric in the pot. So after about a minute, after I burn the curry, well, it's not really burn the curry, guys, you just want to kind of bring out the flavor of the curry. So that's why I added it to the oil before I add the chicken. So just coat the chicken pieces in the curry mixture, and then you're going to do so for about 2 minutes on a very low flame. Since I did not marinate the chicken for a long period, I am going to cover the pot and let it simmer for a few minutes. So guys, my chicken did not spring a lot of juices off its own, but that's fine. It's still gonna be delicious. So I will be adding my washed rice. Now I'm using white rice. You can always use your favorite rice. I'm using 2 cups of rice. You can use as much chicken or as you like. I'm not a lover of meat, guys, so that amount of chicken is fine for me. But if I was preparing it for a lot of persons, then I would add more. Now, guys, I know I sound weird because I'm a horse, but I do like to dedicate myself to do my recipes. So, you know, I hope you accept that I'm putting out the effort and you will continue to support my channel. And it means a lot to me, guys. Honestly, I'm so grateful to you. So just combine the rice with the chicken so that the rice can have the nice curry color also. So the bowl that I use to season the chicken in, I'm going to be adding some water to it. Now, if you want to use coconut milk at this point, you can. But I just want to keep my Caesar rice simple. So I cover the pot for about 2 minutes on a very low flame. Because guys, we want rice full of flavor. So that's why I did that. Now guys, you don't want to let the rice stay long without adding the water. Because rice tend to stick to the pot. So I'm going to be using 2¼ cup of water. For the recipe, guys, you don't need a lot of liquid to steam the rice. So I'm just going to add just enough water to cover the food, alright? Just enough to cover it. Alright, so just coat, just mix everything together. That's what I should say. And then you're going to taste it. Because, guys, you don't season the chicken, but remember you add the rice and the water. So, you're going to want to know how it tastes. So, just taste it and see if it needs anything more. So, I added a little bit more water because, the rice wasn't fully covered. So, that's why I did that. Now, I'm going to be adding some seasoning. I'm going to add some salt and black pepper. And I'm going to be adding a small amount of all-purpose seasoning. Mine was well seasoned already, so you always just cook to your taste, alright? So I'm just adding my salt, then I'm gonna add the all-purpose seasoning now. And I added the black pepper off camera. I forgot to show that part. Also for the recipe, you can add whatever you want to add to it. As I said, I just want mine to be simple. You can add some mixed vegetables to yours. I'm adding some butter. I'm adding like a tablespoon of butter. And also I'm adding some scallion to it. Then I'm going to cover the pot and let it steam on a very low flame. But guys, if you notice, there's not a lot of water and enough liquid in the pot. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a scotch bonnet pepper. And then I'm going to cover the pot with foil paper. Now guys, if you don't believe in foil paper, you could always use plastic wrap, alright? Any type of plastic, you cover your pot. Or if you want to just use the lid and just cover it and let it steam on a very low flame. But when you do cover it like the foil or the plastic, it will steam even better. So guys, if you're going to use a foil paper or if you're going to use a plastic, ensure that you cover it properly. Okay, you want to trap all of that steam. So after I cover the pot, I'm going to lower the flame to the lowest. And then I'm going to let it steam for about 15 to 20 minutes. So at this point, guys, I'm going to check on the rice. So be gentle, guys, a lot of steam. So you don't want it to burn you. So just gentle remove the foil or the plastic. So guys, my rice is looking so delicious. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you're still watching me, remember to thumbs up the video. Share the video as I said earlier. It do help my channel to grow. When it thumbs up the video, YouTube sees that you like the recipe and they will push it to a wider audience. So guys, my rice looks so delicious, guys. It's so fluffy and it has a nice fragrance to it. It's simple, and trust me, if you are a curry chicken lover, then you will definitely love this recipe. So if you try the recipe, please remember to give me your feedback. Share it with your foodie friends, guys. Tell a friend and let a friend tell a friend about Tamara recipes, guys. I have a lot of contents over here that are so delicious. And the more you share it, the more I feel special. Alright, so guys, I just plate up some for you. I'm having mine with some fried ripe plantains. Guys, I love fried plantain and I love tomato slices, so I have some also. And I have my delicious meal to eat. So thank you so much for watching. Please do come again. And take good care of yourself, guys.